This is our exit from Bubba Warmy. It's okay. It's okay. Don't cry. It was not a funeral.
Sandy, we're leaving Bubba Warmy.
Yeah. For another year. Did you like my crying part? I loved it.
It was sexy.
Is that a video?
Yeah.
What, Katie?
These are like bloopers type thing.
I don't know. Are you gonna be a little baby?
No.
Oh, you promise?
Yes. And we're going to the playground, Sandy.
No, we're not, Nicole.
Oh, man.
I'm sorry.
Did everybody get swipe response?
I ran into a tree.
Not first.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, I just stepped in a big puddle of mud, Kayla.
Look at this ground.
Blech.
You want to rape it? Of course you do. Nicole, no, get up. Nicole, get up. Oh, okay.
Hand check. Hand check.
Why would I cover my boobs when I cover my vagina?
Kayla, it's like, hand check.
Listen, one vagina and two boobs. And two hands?
I have 3 hands.
Jeez, where's your other hand?
In my pants.
Yeah, my little member is George.
My penis's name is Henry.
Fine.
No, George is a big man.
Is it?
Yeah.
I'm taking the high road so I can just walk. You guys take the low road because y'all suck.
Let's go the high
road, you'll take the low road.
And drunk, but hey.
No, we're not.
Yes,
Nicole, sing your Ellis Forrest song.
What?
Sing your song.
L. It's for the way you look at me. O is for the only one. I said it, there we go. B is very, very extraordinary. E is even more than anyone that you adore. Love.
Oh, she.
Yeah, we're sexy.
Woo, look at these balls.